Are you looking for some free fall patterns? Then you're in the right spot. Hello crochet foodies, welcome to my video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 free fall patterns. Fall is approaching very quickly. It's literally next month, and I think a lot of us are ready for that weather. I think we're a little tired of the heat now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started in that video. So as always, I have my handy dandy notebook, and we're going to go ahead and start with the first one, which is a pumpkin centerpiece, and this is by Winding Road Crochet. So this specific pattern I have tried myself. I didn't make it exactly the way they show in the pattern, but I did make each individual pumpkin, and those were gone very quickly when I sold them in the market. So I actually think they're very, very cute, and they're made pretty differently from like a traditional pumpkin. So I really like the way these look, and I think it is perfect for a centerpiece because, I mean, it is a centerpiece. And the way it's decorated, like, it's super, super cute. Sorry, my microphone died. Anyway, so let's try this again. The second pattern is a pumpkin pot, and it is by Hooked on Patterns. Now, this pattern specifically has been on my list since like I probably first started crocheting. And when I started learning how to read patterns, I found this, and it's just, oh my gosh, like, it is so cute. I think it is perfect for when you start buying candy, because we know candy is already started to come out into the stores, and sometimes you just want that little snack. I think that's a perfect little thing to have for when you just want to store some candy away, or you just want a cute little decoration in your kitchen or your table, and you just have some little snacks that anyone could grab onto. It is perfect. I really, really love it, and honestly, I'm gonna have to make this one day. This third one is a pumpkin garland, and it is by Handy Little Me. So this pattern is really, really easy to make, or really, really easy to follow, I should say. They're tiny little pumpkins, and you can make them any color you want, any pattern you want when you hang them. I think it's just super cute and just perfect to add for your fall decoration, because people will definitely know, hey, it's already fall. And I just think it's so cute. They're tiny little pumpkins. Who doesn't love tiny little pumpkins? So this next one is a Pumkitty Pie, and it is by Painted Colorful. So if you're into amigurumi or plushies, or maybe you want to gift someone a cute little pumpkin kitty, or maybe you just want to make it for your child, this one is just so cute. It is adorable. I really want to make this one and add it to my little collection so I can sell at markets, because I think it's a perfect little addition of like a little kitty in a little pumpkin. I think it's just adorable, and I think if you make it with like a different size yarn and different size hook, you can make it bigger. How cute would that be? Like, truly. Okay, so this next one is a pumpkin spice latte, and it is by Crochet Pink Pumpkin. I'm gonna make this. I'm not lying. I'm gonna make this very, very soon, because I am wanting to get more into person events, and I think the pumpkin spice lattes would be a great addition to my inventory. So I'm definitely going to make this. I read through the pattern, and it is very easy. The whipped cream, actually, it looked intimidating when I first looked at it, but it's so easy. Like, the moment I read the pattern, I was like, oh, so easy. So I'm going to make it, and I'm probably going to make it in different colors, and it's going to be so fun. I think it's super cute. And honestly, if you make it big enough, you could probably set it on your couch as like a little decorative thing. So cute. So cute. All right, this next one, I really love it. I'm not a huge wine drinker, but I'll enjoy it here and there. And it is a pumpkin wine glass cozy, which is by Spotted Horse Design Co. Y'all, this one, I love it. I think it is classy. It is very, very fall, and it just looks so good in a wine glass. Like, I'm gonna have to buy myself some wine glasses so I can make this pattern. I think it is just so perfect. Like, you can imagine yourself setting your table, putting those wine glasses, putting on those wine cozies. Oh, how cute. Okay, so this next one is if you're wanting to have a longer project or maybe challenge yourself a little bit. It's not really challenging when I read the pattern, but it's more of a longer project for sure. And it is an Autumn Leaves Table Runner, which is by See Love Share. This one, I wouldn't mind making it maybe in the future though. I'm not much of like a longer project type of gal, but I think this one it looks really, really good. Honestly, it looks like it would be perfect for like a table. It seems like something I would probably do for my mom. It's really, really pretty. I actually love it. I like the colors and I think it looks very cute. So I'll have to make this for my mom. Okay, we're going back to the drinking wine because it's classy. So this is a pumpkin wine bottle cozy, and it is by Crochet 365 Knit 2. This one is super cute. I read the pattern, so easy. You can make that in a day. And I think it's great for like if you're invited to someone's house and you want to bring some like a bottle of wine, you could totally make that really quick and add it onto the bottle of wine. Perfect thing to bring. Or maybe just a gift, you know, because I don't know about you guys, but in my family, a lot of birthdays are pretty much coming up very, very quickly, starting like September. So I think that's actually a really good idea to gift. And it just looks really cute, perfect for fall. I think also adds a great little decoration for anyone's home. All right, so when you think of fall, you think of warmer clothing, warmer stuff, right? So this next one is a patchwork cardigan, and it is by Hey Crochet. Now this one, it looks so easy. It's a patchwork cardigan, okay? It's just a bunch of like squares put together into a sweater. And the best thing about this is you can make them any color you want. So if you're not into like the fall colors, but you do want to make it a little more like different colors, like brown and beige or something, you can totally do that with this. It is super cute. Honestly, I've been wanting to make a patchwork cardigan for like the longest time, but I just never found the time to do it. So I'm gonna have to eventually do it. It is on my list. So I'm gonna have to follow this pattern. All right, and then this last one, oh man, I'm so glad I found this one because I definitely want to make this. It is a 3D pumpkin coaster, and it is by Mushy, which is on YouTube. So it is a YouTube tutorial. I know a lot of people aren't really huge fans of video tutorials, but I don't mind them, honestly. Gosh, those coasters, you guys, like I have never seen such cute coasters. Those are just the ideal fall coasters, honestly. And I think it's just super cute. Like I think if you make one of those and then you make the little, what are they called? The wine glass cozies, I think it would just look great on your table. And then if you make the table runner on top of that, you're set for fall. I want to try these coasters because I think they look super cute. So eventually I'm gonna have to make those. Maybe when I have my own house, I'm gonna have to make a bunch of fall things, and I have my list here, so I'm ready for that. All right, so those were the 10 free fall patterns. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope you guys give it a try. All patterns are going to be linked in my description if you're interested in any of them. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And with that, I hope to see you lovely crocheters in my next video. Bye!